The Andromeda Galaxy is something of a sister galaxy to our own Milky Way. At a mere 2.5 million light-years away from Earth, it's actually our closest major galactic neighbor, and it's only getting closer. In fact, the Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy are projected to collide soon. If by soon you mean almost 4 billion years from now. To be fair, on a universal timescale, 4 billion years is peanuts, but I still wouldn't hold my breath. The question I want to propose, however, is what happens if in-game there comes a point where they do collide. Now, technically, in theory, nothing too major would happen, which is why I'm asking, what if? Let that thought ponder in your head for a while. Anyway, back to the topic at hand. The Andromeda Galaxy is often just referred to as Andromeda, but you might be surprised to learn that that is actually inaccurate. Andromeda actually refers to a constellation first discovered by the Greco-Roman astronomer Ptolemy in the 2nd century AD. The Andromeda Galaxy that we know and love today was just one of the many star-like points in a constellation visible with the naked eye. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as M31, did not receive further mention until the year 964, when a Persian astronomer wrote about it in passing as a small cloud. It returned to obscurity, surfacing once every few centuries or so until the earliest 20th century, when it was definitely confirmed to be a galaxy, much like ours by Edwin Hubble in 1925. Today, with modern technology and astronomical tools, we know quite a bit about our biggest and almost closest neighbor. For one thing, it's actually much larger than the Milky Way. It has more than double the number of stars, sitting pretty at about 1 trillion of them. That much extra mass is unaccounted for. M31 is also about twice as massive as the galaxy we call home. Not bad for a small cloud. Despite the scrutiny and attention modern astronomers have given it, the inner workings of the Andromeda Galaxy are difficult to make out. To date, we've only identified one planet-sized object within the galaxy, by sheer luck. What may seem discouraging to astronomers, however, is great news for fans of Mass Effect. As you may know, Mass Effect Andromeda will have a big focus on exploration. Every race will need a new planet or planets to call home in this unknown galaxy, and it's your job to do just that for them. You'll be able to explore vast star systems, stellar anomalies, massive structures, and ancient ruins, none of which are constricted by real-world observations. We know relatively little about the inner workings of our closest galactic neighbor, and that gives BioWare plenty of opportunity to fill in the gaps. The Andromeda Galaxy seems to be the perfect clean slate for Mass Effect to make its return on. Its immense size, stellar density, and relative mystery lends well to the theme of exploration that we are promised will be dominant in the next game. We here at Mass Effect Follower can't wait to see what this new, unfamiliar galaxy can offer. If you enjoyed the video, do please consider leaving a like, and we would happily welcome you to the subscribe button. That's completely up to you though. We are a new channel and we'll take all the support we can get. And don't worry, we'll keep your toes warm. You know, since the temperature of the cosmic microwave is the equivalent of negative 270.45 degrees Celsius. Dash code. Anyways, my question for you guys today is the following. If you took the average size of a peanut, how many peanuts would need to be vertically stacked to gain the distance of a light year? Then calculate how many peanuts it would take to reach the Andromeda Galaxy. Whether it's the center, left, right, mid, top, bottom, be a lot of peanuts, okay? Let's be realistic. As always, my name is Vahro. Have yourself a great day. And by equivalent, I mean a rough tested estimation since space is a whole